welcome to Bio World. Let's recall what we have discussed in our previous module. We have an efficient system of defense. So the defense system can be broadly classified into specific and non-specific defense mechanism. So body coverings, various secretions, mechanisms like blood clotting, phagocytosis, inflammatory response, healing of wounds, fever, and so on. In addition to all these, there are specialized cells like lymphocytes. B and T lymphocytes have specific role in defense mechanism. They are very powerful in defending germs and their action is highly specific in nature. We have a powerful natural defense mechanism. However, at certain times we seek artificial methods of defense. Am I right? One such example is vaccination. So dear children, in this module, we are going to discuss some artificial methods in order to strengthen our defense and our body system.
Defense mechanisms become slow when germs enter the body. This causes the spread and multiplication of germs. Immunization is the artificial method to make the defense cells alert against the attack of pathogen. Edward Jenner, an English doctor, started immunization. The immunization programs got the name vaccination from the Latin word vacca meaning cow, in memory of cowpox experiments of Jenner. Vaccines are the substances used for artificial immunization. Any one of the components from alive or dead or neutralized germs, neutralized toxins or cellular parts of the pathogen will be the component of each vaccine. So children, which are the components of vaccine? It may be from alive or dead or neutralized germs, neutralized toxins or cellular parts of pathogen. These act as antigens that stimulate the defense mechanism of the body. Antibodies are formed in the body against them. These antibodies are retained in the body, which in future protects the body from the pathogen responsible for the same disease. So in this way, vaccines are effective in defending the infection or the attack of germs. Is there any difference between immunization and vaccination? Yes. Vaccination is the act of introducing a vaccine into the body to produce immunity to a specific disease. So it is an act of introducing a vaccine into the body to produce immunity to a specific disease. However, immunization is a process by which a person becomes protected against a disease through vaccination. So this term is often used interchangeably with vaccination or inoculation. We have a national immunization schedule in order to prevent different diseases from birth to childhood till the person reaches the adulthood. So national immunization schedule of preventive vaccines to be taken at different stages of childhood from birth. So here you can see the immunization schedule. So here is a set of vaccines and the prevention of certain diseases is tabulated. BCG or bacilli calmette-guerin is a vaccine for tuberculosis disease. Pentavalent vaccine. It protects against 5 major diseases like diphtheria, tetanus, whooping cough, hepatitis B and certain type of influenza. Next one is MMR vaccine. It is very effective at protecting people against measles, mumps and rubella and preventing the complications caused by these diseases. Next one is TT injection or TT vaccine. The vaccine is given to provide protection against tetanus, which is also known as lockjaw, in adults and children 7 years or older. Vaccination is the best way to protect against this life-threatening disease. Vaccines work by causing the body to produce its own protection. Last one, oral polio vaccine. This vaccine is taken to fight against the disease called polio. Treatment, final defense. What will happen if no treatment is taken when infected with diseases? Yes, it will worsen our health and system. So treatment is the final defense. Which are the different methods of treatment that we depend on? The most common among them are Ayurveda, allopathy and homeopathy. In various parts of the world, methods of treatment have evolved in accordance with the lifestyle of people, their culture and available natural resources. Siddha Vaidya, Panchakarma, Unani, naturopathy, etc. are traditional treatment methods which have evolved like this. Ayurveda is a famous method of treatment that has emerged from India. It is inevitable to live in harmony with nature to maintain an efficient and healthy body. In Ayurveda, plant and animal products are used as medicine. Charaka was one of the principal contributors to Ayurveda, a system of medicine and lifestyle developed in ancient India. Homeopathy is the method of treatment proposed by the German doctor Samuel Hahnemann. Hippocrates paved the way for modern science. He began a treatment system that discarded superstitious beliefs and emphasized only on pathogen, diagnosis and medicines. So dear children, modern medicine is far advanced in the field of treatment. Scientific advancements in diagnosis and invention of new medicines become crucial in the development of modern medicine. So here are some of the diagnostic equipments used widely in the field of medicine. First one is stethoscope, which can be used to listen to the sound made by the heart, lungs or intestine, as well as the blood flow in arteries and veins. The second device which we commonly use is thermometer in order to measure the body temperature. Sphygmomanometer, it is commonly used when measuring blood pressure. Today, besides these familiar equipments, most modern diagnostic tools are available in the field of medicine. They are electroencephalogram, EEG, to record electric waves in the brain. Electrocardiogram, ECG, to record electric waves in the heart muscles. Ultrasound scanner, to understand the structure of internal organs using ultrasonic sound waves. CT scanner, also known as computed tomography scanner, to get three-dimensional visuals of internal organs with the help of computer using X-rays. MRI scanner, magnetic resonance imaging scanner to get three-dimensional visuals of internal organs. In addition to all these devices or equipments, we use various laboratory tests to diagnose a disease. So, laboratory tests help in diagnosis of various diseases. Different types of blood test, urine test, then testing the sputum, etc. will lead to proper diagnosis in order to treat a disease efficiently. Advancement in technology have developed various areas of specialization in modern medicine. So let's get familiarized with some specialization and the related area in the field of medicine. Cardiology, treatment of heart. Ophthalmology, treatment of eye. Neurology, treatment related to neurons or nervous system. Oncology, cancer treatment. ENT, related with treatment of ear, nose and throat. In treatment, along with diagnosis, medicines also have great significance. Medicines are either substances extracted from plants, animals or microorganisms, or chemical substances synthesized in laboratories. So let's move to the topic antibiotics. Medicines that are extracted from microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, etc. are used to destroy bacteria are called antibiotics. They can be used externally as well as internally. It was Alexander Fleming who first discovered antibiotics in 1928. He accidentally discovered that the fungus Penicillium notatum has the ability to destroy bacteria, but it took several years to extract medicine from it. Though antibiotics are effective medicines, their regular use creates many side effects. Some of the side effects are: regular use develops immunity in pathogens against antibiotics, destroys useful bacteria in the body, reduces the quantity of some vitamins in the body, hair loss, yellowing of teeth, etc. Antifungal medicines are used to destroy fungi and antiviral medicines are used to control viruses. So it is not advisable to use antibiotics without the recommendation by a doctor.
Dear children, so what we have discussed today? Yes, immunization, treatment, the final defense, antibiotics, and various diagnostic tools and laboratory tests in order to treat the disease in a very efficient way. So here I am winding up. Thank you.